Welcome. Today we're diving into how you can mute an account on the Instagram app using your PC, following the latest update. If you're finding certain accounts a bit too much on your feed but don't want to unfollow them, muting is the perfect solution. Want a break from someone's posts and stories? This quick guide will help you do just that in under a minute, all from your computer. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your PC. If you use Instagram on your web browser or through the app on Windows, make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, find the account you want to mute. You can do this by typing their username into the search bar at the top. Once you've found them, click to open their profile. On their profile page, look for the following button. This button is usually near the top of their profile, next to their username. Click on it, a menu will pop up with a list of options. From this menu, find and click on Mute. You'll now see a couple of choices: posts, stories, or both. This update gives you control over what you want to mute from this account. Choose whether you want to mute posts, stories, or both by toggling the relevant options. This means you will no longer see their posts, stories, or both, depending on your selection. Finished? Just click Save to confirm your preferences. That's it. The account's content will now be muted on your feed, and the person won't be notified. If you ever change your mind, you can easily unmute them by repeating these steps and switching off the mute options. Muting lets you customize your Instagram experience without the drama of unfollowing someone. Now your feed stays active, but on your terms. If this tip helped, feel free to try it out with any accounts you'd like a break from. Instagram puts you in control.